ED is. You tell them why they need to go ED. Now they're excited about it. And now we tell them how. Instead of just always barking how to. Here's how you prospect. Here's how you recruit. Here's how you build your team. They won't go do that if they don't know the what and the why. The how is the third thing, not the first thing. Massive communication equals massive income, guys. How often are you reaching out to people on your team? Everybody in your team. Some people you talk to them seldom, some people you talk to every day, and some people in between. And everybody deserves the communication, a lot or a little, depending on their activity, their focus, and their work ethic in the business. But right now, during November, I would reach out to everybody, the people you have not talked to in a while. Get a quick reach out, 5 or 10 of those people a day, quick little conversations for the ones you can reach out to. Again, your vibe attracts your tribe. Just you come to them with enthusiasm. People come from miles around to watch you burn if you let yourself on fire. So guys, here's the thing.